Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NIA'S Aesthetic. If you're new here, my name is Sonia and on this channel I share videos on bullet journaling, stationery unboxing, sketching and artwork. If that sounds like your kind of vibe, you are definitely in the right place. I would love if you could subscribe to my channel and drop a cute little heart in the comment. If you like the video, it will honestly make my day. So for today's video, we are unboxing my bullet journal from the Jotting Dots and I am so excited to finally show you what I got this year. First of all, can we talk about the packaging? Oh my goodness, it is absolutely stunning. This is actually my second journal from this brand and once again they have completely nailed it. Their packaging always feels so thoughtful and intentional, like you are opening a little gift to yourself. They also always include a personalized thank you note, which I think is such a lovely touch and makes the whole experience feels extra meaningful and personal. Alright, moving on, let's remove the plastic and see how the journal looks from the inside. So this journal is from their winter wheel collection. I chose the A5 size journal in this really beautiful lavender color. I also got the cover design customized and they had a few different color options available like white, gold and holographic. As you can see, I went with the holographic option and I also had my channel name embossed on the cover, which I absolutely love. It just adds such a nice personal touch. Overall, this journal is so beautiful and very aesthetically pleasing. It also comes with this really cute peacock charm attached to one of the ribbons, which I adore. There's also a pen holder, which is honestly much needed, and a very sturdy elastic band to keep the journal securely closed. Now, when you open the journal, the inside name section is just so gorgeous. It comes with this really lovely snowfall view illustration. Moving on to the paper quality, this journal uses 160 GSM pages, which means there won't be any bleeding or ghosting if you're using water-based marker. This is honestly such a big win for journaling, especially if you're using your brush pens. Here we have the ribbon bookmarks. You get 3 bookmarks and one of them also includes the peacock charm, which ties everything together so nicely and makes the journal feel very cohesive. Now moving on to the end of the journal, one thing I really love about this year's version is that it comes with a grid scale, which is super helpful for setting up spreads and layouts. They have also included a cute back pocket and inside there's a note mentioning that all of their journals are handmade, which I think is such a beautiful detail. And with all these thoughtful touches, the price really makes sense. The journal cost 1199 rupees and it's definitely worth it. And that's pretty much everything about this journal. Stay tuned for a new bullet journal setup coming very soon and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.